Welcome back. Let me show you some demos. And in this is a very simple demo at first, and the animation is changing of the location, and the trigger is click. When I tap on this block, you can see it is moved from one location to another. Let me do this. To begin with, I have prepared all the elements here, and basically it is a frame including a block. And please note, I give it a name here. To begin with, to start, I just make a duplication of this frame, and make sure before you start, you should have already everything ready here. And when I make a duplication, so this is the start point of the animation, or start state of the animation, and this is the end state of the animation. And now, just select this block and move it to the destination you like. Next step is to create the interactions. Go to prototype and select the elements you would like to interact with. It doesn't matter where do you want to start, and if you would like to trigger the information to trigger the animation by clicking the entire frame, you can select the frame. Otherwise, in my case, I just want to trigger this animation by clicking this block itself. So I just select this block and drag it to next frame. And down below, it shows you some options automatically. The default trigger is on click and animation. Sometimes you will see the default is instant. If so, just change that to Smart Animate. After you selecting Smart Animate, there are two options available down below here. One is the curve, the other one is duration. Duration is very simple. It defines how fast your animation will be played. On curve is more advanced options. It will make your animation more naturally, and you will see a lot. There's a lot of animations down below here, and some of them will increase the speed of the animation progressively and then until the end of the animation, and others will be decrease the animation slowly, and then in the middle of the animation, and then in the end of an animation it will increase the speed progressively. Please explore them by yourself to find the best way of the animation for you. And here you can preview the animation by hover your cursor here. Okay. Now, because I would like to move it very slowly, so I will change my duration to 1000 milliseconds. Okay, which means 1 second. Okay. Now, just close this one and turn on preview and see how it works. You can see it's a very slowly movement, but when I click again, it's not working because I have not set the return animation yet. Okay, let me do this. Again, go to your animation, go to your block and drag it back to the previous frame, and by default Figma will remember your previous option and apply that option in here. And for the curve, I will select ease in and out, and same to this one, ease in and out. And let me see how it works. You can see the speed of the animation is increasing at the beginning, and then reach the top in the middle, and then decrease the speed in the end of the animation. Okay, so that is a very simple animation for the movement. If you would like to reuse this animation, it will be a good idea to change this into a component. One way you can do this is select both frames, go to the component, and under the drop-down menu, you can find that there is one option saying create component set. When you select this option, you can see that your component is created, and under this component you can find that there are two variants created automatically. So that is how it works for this option, and now you can reuse it very easily.